2022 개정 초4영어 김혜리 7과 단어 공부 레벨 3 단어 플러스 응용 스토리.
When my parents travel.
It is time for bed, but I play games with my uncle. My uncle is 50 years old. I am 11 this year.
It is time for breakfast, so get up.
I stay up too late. My eyes feel heavy in the morning. I check the time now. Oh no. I am late for school. It is time for school, so let's go. Alex helps me wake on the bus. We laugh because I almost miss my stop again. My class has 20 students.
Middle school has 12 subjects.
The teacher says. At 12 o'clock, I line up in the lunchroom. I wait for my turn. It is time for lunch, Alex. Lunch is sweet and sour pork today. I ate breakfast with my uncle today. My uncle has a cool drone. I will eat dinner with mom and dad. School is over now. I ride my scooter around the park. I wait for mom and dad to come home. I feel excited because I miss them a lot. Dad made a 40-year-old birthday card for mom.
I married mom at 30.
He said.
It is time for dinner, so let's eat.
I do not go to school tomorrow. Tonight feels special because we are finally together.
2022 개정 초4영어 김혜리 7과 단어 공부 레벨 3 단어 플러스 응용 스토리였습니다. 구독 눌러주시고 다음 영상도 함께해요. 바이바이.